Throughout this journey, across billions of years and unimaginable cosmic events, we've followed the moon from its fiery birth to its slow retreat across the heavens. It began as the result of a planet-shattering collision, and it ends as one of the most crucial players in Earth's habitability. And now, as we stand on this tiny blue world and look up, we must ask, would we even be here without it? The answer, in all likelihood, is no. The moon has been far more than a beautiful ornament in the night sky. It is not just a light to write poems about, nor merely a trigger for tides. It is a cosmic engineer, a celestial force that shaped Earth's climate, spin, oceans, atmosphere, and biological rhythm. Let's trace just a few of its indispensable gifts. First, the moon stabilized Earth's axial tilt. Without this, the planet would wobble wildly, swinging between extreme tilts. This would cause catastrophic climate shifts, ice ages at the equator, deserts at the poles, and violent, unpredictable seasons. Stable axial tilt, gifted by the moon's gravity, gave Earth a predictable climate where life could flourish. Second, the moon slowed Earth's rotation. From a frenetic 6-hour day to our current 24-hour cycle, the moon created a world where days and nights allow for rest, energy cycles, temperature regulation, and circadian rhythms. Life evolved in sync with this rhythm, from the tiniest microbes to the largest mammals. Third, the moon gave us tides. The rising and falling of oceans mix nutrients, oxygenate water, drive ecosystems, and enable migratory patterns. Long before complex life, the moon's tides stirred the primordial soup that may have given birth to DNA itself. Without tides, perhaps no replication. Without replication, no life. Fourth, the moon acted as a shield. During the late heavy bombardment, Earth was under siege by asteroids. The moon absorbed countless impacts that may have otherwise obliterated our planet's surface and sterilized early life. The very scars we see on its face are sacrifices made on our behalf. Fifth, the moon enabled eclipses, calendars, and the earliest measurement of time. It became a cultural compass, a spiritual mirror, a teacher of cycles. Our ancestors aligned monuments to its phases. Farmers planted by its light. Poets found metaphors in its changing face. Sixth, the moon possibly continues to influence natural disasters. While still debated, some evidence suggests that lunar gravitational pull contributes to tectonic stress. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even tsunamis may have the moon's fingerprints in their timing. And then there is the mystery of the human connection. The lunar cycle's subtle influence on behavior, biology, and sleep. From werewolf legends to modern police reports, we continue to sense the moon's emotional gravity, even if we cannot fully explain it. But perhaps the moon's most astonishing role is this: it may be unique in the universe. Despite the vast number of planets we've discovered, over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets, very few appear to have large moons. Earth's moon is unusually massive relative to the size of its host planet. It's about 1/4 the diameter of Earth. For comparison, Mars's 2 moons are tiny potato-shaped rocks. Jupiter and Saturn have dozens of moons, but they are proportionally much smaller compared to their massive parent planets. This size matters. The moon's gravitational influence is directly tied to its mass and distance. Without something so large and perfectly placed, Earth might have become a world of chaos. Too unstable, too violent, too hostile for life as we know it. Which raises a humbling thought. What if we're rare? What if our moon is the cosmic exception, not the rule? And what if intelligent life, like us, requires not just a habitable planet, but a large moon to stabilize and nurture it? If that's true, then Earth is not just lucky. It is extraordinary. It also means that as we search the stars for other life-bearing worlds, we must start asking, do they have a moon? Not just water, not just temperature, not just oxygen, but a stabilizing companion that can shepherd a planet toward balance. And yet, despite all this, the moon is moving away. One day, it will be too distant to sustain eclipses, too weak to stabilize our tilt, and too far to stir the oceans. And finally, in a fiery cosmic finale, it will be consumed along with Earth by the dying sun. But that future is distant. For now, the moon is still with us. It still guides the tides, measures our months, lights our nights, and keeps the planet from tipping into chaos. And when we gaze up at it, whether on a clear night or during an eclipse, we're not just seeing a rock. We're seeing the reason we're alive. We're seeing our ancient protector, our celestial twin, our silent partner in life. And perhaps, knowing all this, we'll look at the moon a little differently, not as a cold, distant orb, but as the quiet force that helped write every chapter of Earth's story, including our own.